Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll be teaching you how to make a game called Shoot the Fruit by using a module called Pygame. So right now I have imported some modules over here. It's basically Pygame and a module called random. So from random module I have imported randint. So basically what happens in this game is that whenever there's going to be an apple, and whenever you click the apple, then it's going to go to a different position, to a random position, and then duplicates itself. So that's basically what's going to happen in the game. And then I have imported this from the built-ins of pgzero. So what happens in this is that I'm importing the actor, animate, and keyboard from the pgzero built-ins. Fine. So let's start off by making the screen. So we're going to be making the width, which is going to be 1000. You can make it to 500, but I'm going to make it to 1000. And again, I made this folder called Shoot the Fruit, and inside that I made another folder called Images. And then inside the images, there's an PNG formatted image of an apple. So this is going to be the fruit, and then this is the program. So now let's make the height to 1000 as well, and then let's also make the title. The title of the screen is going to be Shoot the Fruit. Yep. Let's save this program and check. Yeah, so right now as you can see there's a screen called Shoot the Fruit, and 1000, the 1000 is the width and 1000 is also the height, both 1000. Fine. Let's make the apple. Let's make the apple. For making it, yeah. So for making it, I'm gonna say apple equals to an actor. So actor is basically like a sprite, So I'm going to bring the image of the apple over here by writing apple, because the name of the image is apple. But if you change it to some other name, then you have to write it over here. So now we are done making the apple, but right now we have to display the apple to the screen. For doing that, we'll be using this. We'll be drawing it to the screen. Define draw. So in this, we're going to say apple.draw. Yep. So now it should draw the apple to the screen, just like this. So now the gameplay of this is that when you click it, it's going to go to a different position. And then it's going to duplicate itself, like that. So now for doing that, we'll be making the placement of the apple. So for the placement, we'll be saying it as define place apple. So inside this, I'll be entering the apple.x and apple.y. So this is going to be a randint. So this is why we'll be using the random module over here. So randint 10 to 900, 10 and 900, and then the randint over here for the y position, it's also going to be 10 and 900. Good. So we're done defining a draw and also the placement, the place apple. So now we'll be doing the detection of the apple. So whenever we click the apple, then it's going to go to a different position. So for this, we have to do the detection of the apple. I'm writing these commands over here just for your understanding. It's not necessary to write it. It won't change any of your code. So the detection. So in this, I'm going to define on mouse down, and inside this I'm going to bring an if statement for if apple.collidepoint to the position. So I'm also going to bring it over here as position. So now when this is going to bring this will be representing the position of the apple and also the mouse pointer. So now if apple or collide point to the on the position, so the position is going to be the place where the apple is there and also the mouse pointer. So if that's the case, then we're going to print this message. Yep. And then after that, we're going to after clicking the apple, then it's going to go a different position, a random position. So in order to do that, I'm going to call the place apple path over here. So now else, if you don't click the apple and you click the screen somewhere else, then it's going to print another message called you missed. I'm gonna print that, and then we are going to say we're gonna quit it. We're gonna make the program quit. Yep, that's it. Now let's also again call the place apple over here. The reason why I'm calling it again is because when you again call the program, like whenever you run the program, then the apple should go to a different position, like it should be somewhere random, not in the same place. So now you write this program, it's going to go to a random position, and then you can click it, and then it will again go to a random position, like that. So now let's run the program. Yep, when you click it, it duplicates and goes to a different position. Again, went over here. That. Now what if I click over here to somewhere else? So whenever I click it to whenever I don't click the apple and click somewhere else, then it closes, like the command, like the program quits because of this quit line. And then it also prints you missed. So as you can see, it even printed good this message which I wrote over here, and this one is printed because I missed it. So this program is working, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. And if you want to see more videos like this about Pygame 0, then make sure you go and click the like button and also the subscribe button. I'll see you all in the next video. Until then, goodbye.